Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a smoky eyed inspired look. It's gonna be a black smoky eye. I'm not the best with smoky eyes, so I'm praying that this comes out really nice. So we're gonna attempt it together, and if it's a fail, then you know, we just gonna pretend I never did this video and y'all never watched it. But with that in mind, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so this look turned out to be perfect. I was really nervous about how the black was going to sit well on my eyes and everything, because usually when I do this it's like an epic fail. But I'm really happy with how it turned out, how this entire look looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will put all the product details in the description area so you guys can try these products for yourself, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.